Hi everyone, if you want to see how I made this beautiful mat and this gorgeous pillow, just keep on watching. Okay loves, this video is sponsored by Cricut. Now I'm going to show you how I made that beautiful pillow and beautiful welcome mat that you saw in the beginning of this video. So I logged into Cricut.com. I showed you previously how to create that account, and I'll place a link to that video above. But once you get to Cricut.com, you go ahead and type in the search area what you're looking for, and I basically just typed in tropical plant. So I did a little searching around until I found an item that I thought would work perfect for my project. So I'm going to be making some pillows with a tropical leaf. I didn't want very many leaves. I just wanted one leaf on the pillow so that I can get the tropical vibe feeling. So once you find the art that you want to use, you basically go ahead and place it on the mat on the Cricut.com website, and then you just basically follow the directions on the screen. In my case, I paired my Cricut to my computer and I created my leaf, and I'm going to go ahead and select the actual vinyl that I'm going to be using, and then I'm just going to again follow the directions on the screen. So once you press that load and that Cricut start button, the machine starts cutting and the Cricut Maker just does everything for you. And once everything is through cutting, then you just press the unload button, and then you'll start weeding your project. And weeding is just when you're taking the extra pieces of vinyl away from the project to create your vision. Okay loves, so now that my tropical leaf is already created and now ready to be ironed onto my pillow cover, I want to go ahead and start on my welcome mat. So I found a template on Cricut.com's website to use for my welcome. So I'm going to go ahead and use the 24-inch grip mat. And so what I'm doing now is getting the bubbles out of my vinyl just to make sure everything is nice and tidy. And so once I get all the bubbles out, I'm going to go ahead and follow the directions that's on my screen. I'm going to place my grip mat into the machine, and I'm going to press the load button and let the machine start cutting. So basically you just sit back, relax, and watch the Cricut do all the work for you. This is an awesome machine, and I love these projects. So once all the cutting is done, I'm going to go ahead and remove my mat from the machine, and then I'm just going to do my weeding. So I'm doing something different. Instead of leaving the actual words on the transfer tape, I'm pulling the actual, I'm sorry, I didn't mean words, I meant letters. I'm pulling the letters off, and I'm using my vinyl as like a stencil. And so I'm just going to go ahead and place my vinyl on my mat. And so I'm going to take a blow dryer, and I'm using this color, but I'm going to take a blow dryer, and I'm going to try to make my vinyl be a little bit more sticky to my welcome mat. You know, applying that heat to the vinyl is kind of like, it's not going to make it permanent, but it's going to have it where it's a little bit more stickier, where my paint won't seep through the cracks of my letters. And so then I'm just going to grab a paintbrush, and then I'm going to go ahead and paint the inner portion of my letters. Now, I'm going to give you a heads up. My camera, for some reason, flipped. And when it flipped, my video is the opposite direction. just giving you the heads up on that. But I wanted to share it with you. I didn't want to leave that portion out. So yes, so I'm just going to go ahead and do my painting, and then we will be done. Okay, love, so my mat is all done and dry. I let it dry for about 24 hours. And so once I get this peeled off, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I ironed my vinyl on my pillow. So this is an outdoor pillow cover that I'm using, and I'll place the link below to that. And of course, I'm going to have the link to my Cricut maker and my Easy Press 2 below as well, just in case someone's interested in purchasing these items, or perhaps just checking them out, making future plans to purchase. So I'm just going to go ahead and iron the vinyl on the pillow. And once I iron the vinyl on the pillow, I'm going to take you outside. I'm going to decorate with these items on my back porch, my actual patio. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.